Greetings. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare alkaline blackberry jam, and these are the things that you're going to need. I have here approximately 450 grams of blackberries, a sieve, a pot, agave, half a cup of water, and we're going to be using Dr. Sebi's bromide plus. You don't have to use the powder, you can also use the gel. It's entirely up to you. Alright, so yeah, let's do it. So the first thing you want to do is rinse your blackberries and then put them into the pot. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is boil down these blackberries with a tiny bit of water, just to cover the surface of the pot. Okay? Just a little. See how much water that is? And then you want to put it on the fire. Make sure that the fire is at its lowest, absolute lowest point, because we're trying to soften the black. Cover it and then give it about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they get really soft, we're gonna start putting in the agave and we're gonna put in the sea moss. So at the beginning of the video, I said that we were using half a cup of water, but you're not gonna use all of that. The reason why we use a little bit of water is because we don't want our jam to be watery. So the amount of water you're going to use depends entirely on the amount of blackberry jam, alkaline blackberry jam, you're trying to make. So the reason why we're adding this sea moss is not only to thicken it, but we're adding the sea moss because we know it's good. 92 of the 102 minerals that the body is made up from. Why not have it in everything that you're gonna eat? Okay. So we're not gonna put too much. Yeah, that should be enough. So yes, we've added the sea moss, and now we can go ahead and add some agave as well to taste. It's entirely up to you if you want to use agave. So we're going to give that a stir and then leave it for about 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, until everything's kind of just melted down, and then we're going to start mashing it up. So now we're going to start mashing it up. If you think that is too light, go ahead and add more sea moss. And if you don't want to add no more sea moss, you're going to have to add more blackberries. It's entirely up to you. There are no mistakes. You either win or you learn. There's no losing. Now that's all been mashed up, we can now strain it. Some people prefer it with the seeds, and some people don't. So yes, brothers and sisters, that's how you create the alkaline blackberry jam. Don't worry if it's a bit watery now. When you put it in the fridge, or leave it out, sorry, don't put it in the fridge when it's hot. Leave it out, let it cool down, and then put it in the fridge, and it will thicken up. You can store it up to 2 to 3 weeks. Some people say only 2 weeks. I say 2 to 3 weeks. Just keep checking it. You can't go wrong. So yeah, use it as a spread. Use it as a dip. Put it into your food. Mix it with your hot pepper sauce. as a syrup, whatever you want to do with this, it's entirely up to you. All right, the imagination is boundless. So thank you for watching. Love, peace, and high vibrations.